Hello students, through this video you will learn about different types of numbers. I have given definition in white and example in black. First of all, natural numbers. Numbers 1 to infinity are natural numbers. Whole numbers. Numbers 0 to infinity are whole numbers. Even numbers. Numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are even numbers. Or numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its units place is also called even numbers. Odd numbers. Numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Or numbers having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at its units place are called odd numbers. Prime numbers. Numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are prime numbers. Composite numbers. Numbers having more than two factors are composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is the lowest and the only even prime number. 9 is the lowest odd composite number. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers having 1 as common factor. Here 1 is the only common factor between two numbers. These are co-prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers with the difference of 2 are twin prime numbers. You can see here 3 and 5 are prime with the difference of 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Same for others. Integers. This is the set of all whole numbers and all the negatives of natural numbers. You can see here all positive 1 to infinity, negative 1 to infinity with 0. All negative numbers from 1 to infinity are negative integers. Positive numbers from 1 to infinity are positive integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but it's an integer. Rational numbers. A number in the form of p upon q is known as rational number, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Examples are given here. Here 0 upon 34 is also a rational number, because this q means denominator should not be equal to 0, but numerator may be 0. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. Fractions. A number in the form of a upon b is known as fraction, where a and b are natural numbers. In rational number, the same form p upon q, but p and q are integers, and in fractions, the same form, but numerator and denominators are natural number here. Different types of fractions. Proper fractions. Here numerator is smaller than denominator. This top value is numerator and bottom value is denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator in proper fractions. Improper fractions, numerator is greater than denominator. Examples are given. Like fractions having same denominators. Fractions having same denominators are like fraction. You can see all the fractions are having 80 as denominator. Unlike fractions having different denominators. Unit fractions. Fractions with numerator 1 are known as unit fractions. Decimals. A decimal number contains a decimal point. It's based on 10. Different types of decimal numbers. Terminating decimals. These terminates after a fixed digit of decimal places. You can see 89.9856 and more examples. Non-terminating or repeating decimals. These decimal numbers have an infinite number of digits after the point and have a pattern or repetition of same digit. You can see here 20.353535, it's a pattern repeating here. Here 2.2222, here 2 is repeating, non-terminating or non-repeating decimal. This type of decimal also never terminates and don't have any pattern or the same digit repetition. 1.32657, and more repetition is there, more non-terminating is there, but no repetition. Irrational numbers. Numbers that cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q are irrational numbers. Examples are given: root 7, root 5, pi, 4 upon 0, and non-terminating, non-repeating decimals also included in irrational numbers. Real numbers. All rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Now your homework is based on today's different types of numbers. Here I have given in decimal different decimal numbers. You have to mention the type here. Different integers, you have to mention the type of integer here. And different type of fractions, you have to mention the type of fractions here.